Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create an intruder detector. From this kit, we get a Micro Uno microcontroller with a micro USB cable, an ultrasonic sensor, an LED with a resistor, female to male jumper wires, and a female to female jumper wire. First, we need to connect the circuit. Connect 4 female to male wires to the ultrasonic sensor, female to female wire to the longer leg of LED and the other end to the resistor, 1 female to male wire to the shorter leg of the LED. Now connect 5 baud to the VCC, trip pin to 11, echo pin to 10, GND pin to GND. Connect the resistor to the 7 pin and the other wire to GND. Then we need to code it. We will be using mBlock, so go to this website and download mBlock. Go to the file, downloads, and click mBlock. Now code it. Plug in the micro USB cable. And the other side to Micro Uno. Connect to the port, then click the green flag. When you move your hand within the distance, what happens? Click the red flag to stop it. You can set the distance, knot, and beat of the alert sound you want. We will now build the box. And that's it.